HoliDIY'S YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hi! I'm Sam, and you're on an episode of The Sam Show. I'm so thankful Tay lets me come and make all this fun content, and today we are going to be working on something that is extra special to me because it's dog themed. And if you didn't know, I have 3 big beautiful dogs that are my whole life, and it's always pretty much a party at our house. So what better way than to have a party and have a dog themed than dressing your dogs up in party hats and bandanas. They get embarrassed. It's the cutest thing ever. I absolutely love it. You're not gonna want to miss this. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. I am making my paper hats the same size that I would make people ones. That's the size that fit my dogs because all of my dogs are over 50 pounds. So I do them 6 inches high and 10 inches wide. You could do them smaller. I honestly think little mini hats would be so adorable too. So definitely do that if that's the route you want to go. All you do is cut your stuff out of cardstock. I am using the Dino Party hats. And the one thing I like to do is to cut a little slit along that edge, just about a ½ an inch in. I find it's easier to be able to slip it into that hole. And then it doesn't pop out either while you're trying to glue it. I like to use hot glue for this. I think it holds so much better, and I put a decent amount on along that edge so it doesn't come undone. For the little details, I like to use Super Tight's Fusion Tack adhesive, and I just put it in a small precision tip bottle. And you can get 20 or 30% off depending on your Auntie Tay membership from Super Tight themselves. And then when I actually put it on, I go back to hot glue because it just holds a lot better for a quick dry. I am using the character add-ons for Mickey and Friends and 101 Dalmatians. There are so many fun party files and paper crafting files, and I love to mix and match for exactly the theme you're going for. I decided to do a Disney dog theme and do a different Disney dog for each of my dogs based on their personalities. You can see for the first 2 hats, I actually decorated them after I put the hat together. But for this hat, I am doing a bunch of Dalmatian spots, and I wanted to glue the paper on first. You could also do vinyl. That would be a lot easier, but I would decorate it first while it's flat and then put it together afterwards. It made it a lot easier than trying to put it on and make sure all of the pieces stayed up when it was like curved. There is this awesome stretchy string from Joann's, and I'm using this top one that is perfect for party hats. I measure no shorter than 12 inches. I like to give myself normally a little bit longer of a string so that I can tie. And then I use a tiny hole punch and punch 2 holes on each side. Then I thread the string from the inside out and then back in and tie a knot. I do it on each end, and then I go in with hot glue and glue it down so that it stays and the knot doesn't come untied. And then you have your hat. You can just trim the ends, and they're really that simple to make. They're so fun. So I'm gonna show you again on the next one. It's 2 holes on one side, and then you thread the string from the inside out and then back in and tie a knot. I did use a pretty heavy duty cardstock, but you do not have to. If you use anything like 65 pounds or plus, you'll be good to go. They hold up pretty well. For my over-the-collar dog bandanas, I use the same add-ons that are meant for paper files, but you can use them for anything. They're SVGs, so I cut them out in HTV, and I'm putting them on my bandanas by just ironing them on. So you can see I had Goofy, Pluto, and Rolly. Those were the best that I think describe each of my dogs, and I can't wait to show you what it turned out like. I just cut everything to fit and ironed it. Really, it's super simple. Auntie Tay has a ton of how-to videos if you need a little bit more walking through how to do this. And then the dog bandanas, I have a sublimation dog bandana tutorial on how to put these bandanas together if you're not sure. Oh my goodness, aren't they the cutest? Would you have guessed this for my dogs? If you follow me on social media, you might know them a little bit and their personalities, but my beautiful boys, this is Graham as Rolly. Graham hated his hat, but Graham loves to eat. He's always hungry, literally always. He's about to be 10 years old this year. Oh my gosh, he's getting so gray. And then my goofy boy, Branson, who is the golden boy. Normally he loves modeling, but he was being such a goober today. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. He is my happy-go-lucky, funny boy who's always making me laugh. Then my loyal companion, Tucker, is Pluto because he has been by my side since I was 15. He is 15 years old. I have literally had him half my life. I don't know what I would do without him. I hope you guys loved today's tutorial. It was so fun, and please, please, please dress your dogs up and tag me.